Emollient Combination No.44 Foam is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations, such as diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. It contains substances that soften and moisturize the skin and decrease itching and flaking. Some ingredients are used mostly to protect the skin against irritation from wetness. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin. Emollients/moisturizers work by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. This foam also contains ingredients that draw water into the outer layer of the skin. It also has substances that soften the top layer of skin cells, helping the dead skin cells fall off, keeping in more water, and leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. Make sure to use this foam as directed and consult your healthcare professional for the best time to use it and the proper dosage for your condition. When using Emollient Combination No.44 Foam, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. Some products may need to be shaken before use, so be sure to check the label. Apply the foam to the affected areas of the skin as needed or as directed by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. For dry hands, you may need to use the foam every time you wash your hands throughout the day. If you're using this product to treat diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before application. For radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to see if you can apply the foam before therapy. Apply the foam only to the skin, avoiding sensitive areas such as your eyes, mouth, nose, and vaginal/groin area unless directed otherwise by the label or your doctor. Make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. For the best results, use this medication regularly and apply it after bathing or showering while the skin is still damp. In cases of very dry skin, your doctor may recommend soaking the area before application. It's important to note that long, hot, or frequent bathing can worsen dry skin. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. Emollient Combination No.44 Foam can be used safely and effectively with no side effects for most people. However, some may experience burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If any of these effects last or get worse, it's important to tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it means that they have judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. However, it's important to tell your doctor right away if you have any serious side effects, such as unusual changes in the skin or signs of skin infection. Although a very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. As always, it's recommended to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before starting or stopping any medication. Before using this product, make sure to check with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to the ingredients. Also, if you have any skin cuts, infections, or sores, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. Some ingredients in this product, such as preservatives and fragrances, may make you more sensitive to the sun. Be sure to check the label for any warnings and talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any precautions you should take when in the sun. If you have acne-prone skin, look for products labeled non-comedogenic to avoid worsening acne. Additionally, some products may stain or discolor clothing, so it's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Before undergoing any surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult with your doctor before using this product. It's important to know if this product passes into breast milk, especially if you are applying it to the breast area. Now let's talk about the uses of Emollient Combination No.44 Foam. It is commonly used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations, e.g., diaper rash, skin burns from radiation therapy. When using this medication, it is important to follow the directions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Apply this medication to the affected areas of the skin as directed, usually once or twice a day. The best time to take this is after bathing or showering. Remember to consult your doctor or pharmacist before making any changes to your medication routine. If this medication is accidentally ingested, it can be dangerous. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like losing consciousness or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. To prevent dry skin, try using lukewarm water for bathing and limit baths or showers to every 1 to 2 days. Keep your baths or showers short and consider using a humidifier if the air is dry. Emollient Combination No. 44 Foam is a type of emollient product that comes in a foam form. It helps to moisturize and soothe dry, itchy skin. It is suitable for people who may be sensitive to fragrances or other ingredients found in other types of emollients. Consult with your doctor or pharmacist to see if Emollient Combination No. 44 Foam is the best option for you. It can be used daily, and it is recommended to apply it at a time when your skin needs the most hydration, such as after bathing or before bedtime. If you forget to use Emollient Combination No. 44 Foam on your regular schedule, you can use it as soon as you remember. However, do not use more of the product or use it more often than directed to make up for the missed dose. Be sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Avoid storing the foam canister near high heat or open flames, and do not puncture or burn it due to the pressurized contents. Do not dispose of the product in the toilet or drain unless directed, and properly discard it when expired or no longer needed. You can consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.